Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is related to the ICMR JRF examination. As you all know that the examination is going to be conducted on 8th of July. So here's a complete discussion, here's a complete information that all I could collect from the various sites, from the various official sites, so that it could be helpful for you. So very first thing, talking about the examination pattern. So we have in total part A, B and C. So part A is your general aptitude, part B is your life sciences and part C is your social sciences. So because you're a life science student, in your examination form as well, you'll be filling in or you'll be opting for part B itself. So in part A, we have 50 questions in total, and this particular part is common for all the students. So whether you are from any field, you have to go through all the questions, where we get the questions from general knowledge, where we get the questions from common statistics, experimental, etc. In addition to that, we have part B and then part C. Both of these parts have 100 questions in total, and you can do 75 out of them. In addition to that, every question, be it in part A or B or C, whichever you choose, you have 1 mark for the correct answer and 25% gets deducted for the incorrect answer. That means 0.25 is the negative marking for this particular examination. Now talking about how should you approach this paper, see, this particular examination is more on the factual side. अगर क्वेश्चन रीड करके आता है तो आप सॉल्व कर पाओगे. You will not be able to guess work in the factual questions, right? Obviously, because factual questions cannot be guess worked in any manner. If you know it, you know it. If you don't know it, you won't be able to do it. So make sure that you are targeting the factual side of the examination. You are targeting on the factual side of every subject, every topic that you study. Every examination is having their own nature to it. For example, the CSIR is more towards the experimental and the analytical side. On the other hand, this ICMR is more towards the factual side. So you need to have your facts very clear. In CSIR also we have few of the factual questions in part B, but in ICMR, if we talk about, it is more towards the factual side of all the topics. So make sure that you're keeping your facts very clear. Make sure that you are repeatedly revising your facts, and also search down the topics that gets quickly repeated or that gets majority of the times repeated in the examination. So the syllabus for the life sciences is more or less similar, but point is the type of the question. So make sure that you're going ahead with the facts properly. Make sure that you are revising them properly. Make sure that you are going with the previous year questions as well. That's again very important. So the examination is on 8th of July. In addition to that, you have 18th of June as the last date for filling up the form. So if you wish to fill the form, you still have time. You still have few days in hand. Go to the official site right away and fill in your form as soon as possible. So this was an information. This was all the things that I could gather for you all. I'll try to jot down more pointers and I'll present in front of you as soon as possible. Till then, prepare very nicely for the examination, and also do not fear from any exam. If you have given the form, if you have filled the form, there is no point skipping off the paper just because you feel like that आप qualify नहीं करोगे. I get a lot of messages like, ma'am, I have filled the form, should I go for the exam because मेरा preparation पूरा नहीं है. See, facing the examination would give you confidence. It would give you the way out about how should you change your preparation strategy, right? So never fear from giving up the examination. Go face the examination with full confidence. Whatever backlogs are there, we'll sort it out afterwards. But never ever miss out any examination. This was a pro tip from my end. I hope it was helpful. Do let me know in the comment sections below whether this video was helpful or not. I'll try to jot down few more pointers for you all for this particular examination as soon as possible. Till then, good luck, take care, download our application from the iOS as well as from the Android Play Store, and also do not forget to hit the subscribe button to Botany Insider. Thank you for watching. Good luck.